what does that mean? Welcome to this episode of the Living and Working Abroad show. As Pro Sam here, TFA is the discussion for today. What does that mean? Tax for all. In the ProX Cyprus office, we've got lots of individual tax resident clients who are going through the change, and it's going to be a big change in their situation. And we cannot be based this on the stay where we are. So in the UK, tax for all is called tax or all-in-one tax, where they're bringing together VAT, social, welfare benefits, as well as your tax return, so everything can be seen in one place. In Cyprus, that process is happening year by year, and this year in 2024, individuals have to join into the tax for all system. This is on top of the existing two systems, so it's not the payment system that exists already, it's not the tax return portal that exists already, it's a new portal, and individually every tax resident needs to register so they can submit a tax return and payments this year. That's only part of the story. The other side of the coin for Cypriot tax residents is that everybody who's a Cyprus tax resident in 2024, that is living in Cyprus in 2024, that was a tax resident in 2023, needs to do a tax return. Now Cyprus is very tax efficient for expats. You can pay 0% tax on dividends and interest and savings, and 5% tax on pensions, and 12.5% corporation tax. But there are other taxes, there are other flat rate taxes that you have to pay. So there's, for example, there's a health tax of around about 2.5%. It's payable on all your worldwide income. So if you've got 10,000 property rental income from the UK or from abroad, or you've got dividend income coming in from the Far East, as a Cyprus tax resident, you've got the health tax to pay on that, or you could have a property rental flat rate tax to pay on that as well, or a 30% tax to pay on savings interest. So there are these significant taxes in Cyprus that are there to challenge you if you don't get your tax residency and registration right. If you are a tax resident, you now need to migrate onto the new system, and that means that every individual has to register onto the new TFA, the tax for all system, from 2024 for individual taxpayers, plus everybody who's a tax resident in Cyprus in 2023 has to do a return. So this is every tax resident in the UK, in Cyprus, has to register to be a tax resident on the new tax for all system in Cyprus. For help and guidance doing that, we offer our existing clients and new clients, where we do their tax returns in Cyprus, free registration onto the new system as part of the package and part of the service, as well as the assessment and making sure that you pay the minimum amount of tax and the maximum to get the maximum tax savings. So for more information and guidance, contact us at proactpartnership.com.